education teaches adults and education teaches kids that there's some things that we have to learn in this world to be successful in life. But education does not teach kids and education does not teach the adults that the greatest determinant of success is our conscious awakening, which is our value system. Let me help you understand. Our mind is like an operating system. So whatever is received by the mind through what we hear, what we listen to, what we watch and what we read defines our conscious awakening. And that defines our value system, which further defines the decisions that we take, and that defines the actions that we implement, and that defines our life. So there are primarily 4 levels of conscious awakening. Level 1 is called surrender. Surrender means you live a life of victim of your surroundings. You let the world happen to you. The world defines your belief system, what you can do, you can't do, what you are and what you're not. That is level 1. Level 2 is awakening. You have the curiosity to take charge of your life and you refuse to believe what the world tells you about your capabilities. Moreover, if you are watching me, this is not entertainment. This is definitely not a TikTok level of entertainment, or I'm not here to share a comic take on life and I'm no comedian. So you're definitely listening to something serious, because success is a serious business. Level 3 is luck factor. When people start to associate what happens to you with luck factor. That is, you're not just a learning person, you are someone who is taking actions. You take actions and you implement and apply them in your life. You are risk-taking and you're thinking entrepreneurially. But the beauty is that you're not driven by money alone. You are driven by a far greater light, and that is the wisdom to make the world a better place and see how you can be instrumental in that process. And in that process, the right things start to happen to you, the right people start to happen to you, right situations start to happen to you. Now level 4, which is the ultimate level, and that is divine interventions begin to happen to you, which is when you feel that the results happen to you by default. Whatever you do fetches you results, and that is hinged upon your value system, your consciousness, your conscious awakening. Your value system, which is why you do what you do, why you pursue what you pursue, why you don't give up, why you get up each time you fall, why you are untouched by negativity, and why you are able to script a success story. Detox to Detox Career Series is a specially designed series to help you discover your core strengths and your value system, because that is what ensures success. And there could not have been a better time to launch Detox to Detox Career Series than now. Why? 4 reasons. Reason number 1, we are in the year 2020. That means we have a decade ahead of us. We are at the onset of a new decade. Reason number 2, we just wound up a previous decade. Reason number 3, we have so much to learn from previous decade, things that went right and things that did not go right. And reason number 4, collect all the learnings from previous decade, marinate them, and then concatenate them with new learnings of this decade and make life worth it and live extraordinarily. So this is the right time to join us every Saturday to learn additional tools and techniques to make the right decisions, add more arms and ammunitions to fight and fortify your career roadmap, and live an extraordinary next decade in life ahead. So cheers on that note, and see you every Saturday with a new episode of Detox to Detox Career Series.